Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the healthiest diets in the world, the Mediterranean diet. We'll guide you step by step on how to start and enjoy this amazing way of eating. First, let's answer the question, what is the Mediterranean diet and why should you consider it? The Mediterranean diet includes foods from countries around the Mediterranean Sea like Egypt, Morocco, Spain, France, and the Middle East. It's renowned for its health benefits, including high longevity rates and low incidences of diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Let's break down the key components of the Mediterranean diet. 1. Avoid ultra-processed foods. First and foremost, avoid ultra-processed foods. These are high in sugar, fat, white flour, and chemicals. Instead, focus on natural, whole foods. 2. Embrace a plant-based diet. The Mediterranean diet is primarily plant-based. This means your meals should be rich in vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts, seeds, and grains. While meat, chicken, fish, and dairy are included, they are not the main focus. 3. Use extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple. It's a fruit-based oil and a significant source of healthy fats in the Mediterranean diet. Drizzle it generously on salads and vegetables. 4. Beans as a primary protein source. Beans are the main protein source, unlike the meat-centric diets in some other countries. They are high in fiber and essential for a healthy diet. Reduce meat consumption and use it more as a condiment. 5. Include omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial. Foods like salmon, walnuts, greens, and flax oil are excellent sources. These are beneficial for your heart and brain. 6. Whole grains. Whole grains are another key component. Opt for grains like oats, amaranth, millet, and whole wheat. They are great for digestion and overall health. 7. Whole-fat dairy. In moderation, whole-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt, whole milk, and cheeses are included. They are rich in probiotics and nutrients. 8. Fruit for dessert. For dessert, opt for fruit. While traditional desserts like baklava are enjoyed occasionally, fruit is the go-to daily dessert. That's it. The Mediterranean diet is all about celebrating food, eating with abundance, and enjoying meals with your community. It's delicious and incredibly good for you. Check out the description box below for links to all the recipes we've mentioned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.